Good morning, dear jury, teachers and students. As for me, my name is Kirillin. Let me please present my report, Usage of Modal Verbs in Anti-COVID Rules. Why I have chosen this theme? I have chosen it because this theme has become actual besides pupils understand much better usage of modal verbs in anti-COVID rules. Moreover, knowledge of modal English verbs can protect our health and life during pandemic in the world. The knowledge of the research, the anti-COVID rules help children to learn modal verbs in English. We also have made a cartoon about modal verbs in anti-COVID rules. The purpose of the research is to analyze the usage modal verbs in anti-COVID rules in English. Research methods are survey, comparison, observation, analysis, and experience. Look at this table of modal verbs can, must, should in anti-COVID rules. This table was created by me. For example, modal verbs must. You must spend 14 days at home on your return from abroad. You must keep a distance of at least 1.5 meters. You must wear a mask in public and others. In this picture, you can see the survey results for modal verb must. I have made a survey on modal verbs among students of the 7th B form of the Sаха gymnasium. The first survey was about only modal verb must. Before watching my cartoon about usage of modal verbs in anti-COVID rules. The second survey was about modal verb must in anti-COVID rules. After watching my cartoon about usage of modal verbs in anti-COVID rules. In this picture, you can see a survey results for modal verb can. In this picture, you can see a survey results for modal verb should. In conclusion, I want to point, firstly, we have found the following anti-COVID rules using modal verbs must, can, should. Secondly, we have created tables of modal verbs in English. Thirdly, we have made the cartoon about modal verbs in anti-COVID rules. In conclusion, I want to point, firstly, we have found the following anti-COVID rules using modal verbs must, can, should. Secondly, we have created tables of modal verbs in English often used in anti-COVID rules. Thirdly, we have made the cartoon about modal verbs in anti-COVID rules. This cartoon is a result of my project. You can see it on my YouTube channel. The cartoon is created in 2D format by drawing on more than 200 sheets using the Flipper Clip and KineMaster applications. The results of a survey of our classmates show that anti-COVID rules help children understand better modal verbs must, can, should. Our hypothesis has been confirmed. I'm sure we can all stop the spread of COVID. Thank you for your attention. Now, let's watch my cartoon.
Hello. I must wear a mask in public. Very good. Hello. Hi. Sorry. Oh no. I must wear a mask in public. We must keep a distance at least 1.5 meters. Very good. You should wash your hands with soap and water. Very good. You should disinfect your gadgets. You can wear rubber gloves. You shouldn't touch your face, eyes, nose, mouth with your hands. You should avoid close contact, such as handshakes. Please keep a distance. Remember, please. You must call a doctor at home. You must save your grandparents. We can stop the COVID together.